When you hear the word detox, what comes to mind? Juice cleanses, crash diets, extreme regimens? I want to break down what detoxing really means and, more importantly, how to approach it in a way that's effective, straightforward, and sustainable for your body. Detoxification is your body's natural process of eliminating toxins and waste products. It's something your body does every single day through your colon, your liver, kidneys, lymphatic system, and more. But here's the thing, your body needs the right support to do this efficiently. Modern lifestyles, environmental toxins, and stress can all slow these processes down. That's why a good detox isn't about forcing your body to do something unnaturally. It's about giving it the tools and support it needs to do what it's designed to do. There are a few misconceptions about detoxing and what it actually means. Misconception number one: detoxing can be done in a few days with quick fixes. Well, that's absolutely false. Real detox is a gradual process, not something you can rush in 24 or 48 hours. Misconception number two: you can jump right into a detox without any prep work. Well, that's not true. Before you focus on eliminating toxins, you need to ensure your body's drainage pathways are open and functioning well. Misconception number three: detox is only for extreme cases. Nope, supporting your body's natural detoxification processes enhances what it's already designed to do, optimizing overall wellness, making it a beneficial practice for everyone. So, where should you start? The answer is simple: with the foundations. The Jumpstart Kit from CellCore is designed to support mitochondrial health and optimize drainage pathways, two essential pieces of the detox puzzle. Why mitochondrial health? Because your mitochondria are the energy powerhouses of our cells, and they play a critical role in every function of your body, including detoxification. You need cellular energy for effective detoxification. And what about drainage? Think of it as clearing the pathways so toxins can actually leave the body. Without proper drainage, toxins can recirculate, leaving you feeling worse. So what makes the Jumpstart Kit unique? The Jumpstart Kit combines gentle yet powerful supplements that support your body on a foundational level. Here's what's inside and how each product helps support your health. BCATP boosts mitochondrial function and energy production, providing the cellular energy your body needs to carry out its natural detoxification processes. Biotoxin Binder helps maintain a balanced gut microbiome and supports the elimination of toxins, making detoxing smoother and much more effective. KL Support is formulated with herbs traditionally used to support kidney and liver health. This supplement assists an additional layer of healthy drainage pathways, helping the body effectively eliminate toxins. CT Minerals is derived from fulvic acids found in soil and decomposed plant life. These trace minerals are easy for the body to absorb and utilize. They help replenish essential nutrients, supporting optimal cellular function and overall health. Together, these products energize your cells, open up drainage pathways, and prepare your body for deeper cleansing. So what are the key takeaways? There's a smarter approach to detox. Detoxing isn't about extremes. It's about working with your body in a smart, sustainable way. By starting with the Jumpstart Kit, you're laying the groundwork for long-term health and giving your body the support it needs to thrive. Remember, true wellness starts with the basics. Support your mitochondria and open up your drainage pathways, and watch how your body responds. Let's shift the focus from quick fixes to lasting benefits, because your health is worth it.